Hello and welcome to this video on how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access issue on Windows 10. If you've ever encountered this problem, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we will walk you through some simple troubleshooting steps to help you resolve this issue and get back online. Step 1. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Step 2. Reset TCP/IP stack. In the command prompt window, type the following command and press enter. Unidentified reset. This command will reset the TCP/IP stack to its default state. Step 3. Restart your computer. After the command is executed successfully, restart your computer. Step 4. Reset WinSock catalog. Once your computer is restarted, open the command prompt as an administrator again and type the following command. WinSock reset. This command will reset the WinSock catalog. Step 5. Restart your computer again. Step 1. Open command prompt. Step 2. Release your current IP address in the command prompt window, type the following command and press enter. ipconfig/release. This command will release your current IP address. Step 3. Renew your IP address. Next, type the following command and press enter. ipconfig/renew. This command will renew your IP address. Step 4. Check your IP address to verify that your IP address has been renewed. Type the following command and press enter. ipconfig. This command will display your current IP address. That's it. Renewing your IP address is a quick and easy way to fix internet connectivity issues on your Windows computer. Step 1. Open Control Panel. Step 2. Hit Internet Options. Step 3. Check Proxy Server Settings. In the Internet Options window, click on the Connections tab and then click on the LAN Settings button. In the Local Area Network (LAN) Settings window, check if the Use a Proxy Server for your LAN option is checked. If it is, make sure that the proxy server settings are correct. Step 4: Open Network and Internet Settings and follow all steps. I hope this will help you fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet access issue on Windows 10.